Built in 2021, this executive bungalow is situated in one of Fredericton's newest subdivisions.
Welcome inside 575 Wetmore Road.
First is the open concept great room with vaulted ceilings and doors to the back deck.
Along with beautiful quartz countertops, the kitchen has floor-to-ceiling cabinetry and open shelving.
This 3-bedroom home features a split design, with 2 bedrooms and the main bathroom on one side,
and the primary suite on this side.
with a walk-in closet and the luxurious ensuite bathroom.
Also on this side, you'll find access to the 2-car garage and a mudroom with laundry.
The backyard also features a patio area and access into the partially finished basement ready for your finishing touches.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 575 Wetmore Road,
visit frederictonhomes.com.